Embark on your entrepreneurial adventure with How to Become an Entrepreneur in 7 Steps. Let's unravel the secrets to crafting your business empire. 1. Discover your niche. Choose a product that ignites passion or solves a problem. Assess trends, stability, and competition in your chosen market. 2. Product pathways. Make, manufacture, wholesale, dropship, or print on demand. Options galore for crafting your unique offerings. 3. Prove your concept. Create a buzz with a "coming soon" page or pre-orders. Validate your product with those initial game-changing sales. 4. Blueprint for success. Outline your business plan, target market, model, pricing, products, and marketing strategies. A roadmap to guide your journey. 5. Financial foundations. Explore self-funding, loans, or venture capital. Secure the funding needed to fuel your entrepreneurial dreams. 6. Countdown to launch. Prepare a launch checklist, plan marketing activities, and ensure top-notch customer support. Launch day is your time to shine. 7. Navigate the entrepreneurial seas. Dedicate time to learn and manage your business. Tap into resources from Shopify, Small Business Administration, Score, and more. Ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality? Let's kickstart your journey to success.